Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a shadow to a frame in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are in Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to change the template color so that it could be more visible to you, right? Let me add this one color, right? Or this one. Okay, now we are just going to add an element, that is frame. So I'm into the element and here I just search for frame, and here there are frames. I will click on see all, and whatever the frame you like the most, you can simply select that particular frame, right? So for example, I have selected this one, right? Now I'm just going to add an image. So here I'm searching for couple. Okay, we are going to the all, and here we will simply click on see all on the photos, and here we are just going to drag and drop this image into the frame, right? We can also resize the image, right, as per our requirement. Now I just want to add shadow to this frame, so I have selected this frame and clicked on effects, and here you can simply add drop effect. You can increase the transparency, and then you can simply move the direction, right? And you can also blur the shadow as well, right? So in this manner you can simply add a shadow to your frame inside Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.